That was graceful. So it's your gal, Dimply Bean, back at it again with the stupid content. So it seems to be a general theme at the moment that I see videos online and just have to do them. And I've seen this one knocking around for probably last couple of weeks. I can't remember the first video that I saw where someone tried this, so I can't really link them, unfortunately, which is a shame. But yeah, I've watched quite a few of these videos now and it looks so ridiculous. I just have to do it. And that is the tiny face challenge. It just looks amazing and I need to make my face tiny. Yeah, so I've got a little scarf here that I plan on wrapping around my face. Fun fact about this scarf, I tried to make a mask, you know, to protect myself against, you know exactly what I'm protecting myself against, and I had to take it off because it's silk and it made my face really warm, and not to mention that I looked absolutely ridiculous. I don't have any masks. I've looked for them. I can't seem to find any that aren't like stupidly overpriced now because all the prices have gone up. Yes, I don't plan ahead. I'm an idiot. So I have this scarf and I'm going to wrap this across my face like this. And I feel like this is going to work pretty well. I'm not going to do that until right at the end though, because I feel like it muffles my speech quite a bit. And I know for a fact that you all just want to hear me talk and talk and talk, and that my voice isn't annoying at all. I know for a fact that my voice is annoying. I edit my own videos, so of course I know. I feel like the hardest part is going to be, well, it's going to be all of it really. I don't really know whether I can still draw noses. I haven't drawn a nose for a long time. I certainly haven't ever drawn a nose on my own nose before, so that will be an experience. I also don't know whether I can still draw lips. I don't know whether I can draw lips on my nose. Like, this is all going to be like a big learning curve and it's probably going to come out a mess. But I really, really want to try it because it looks fun. So let's get on with it then. I'm going to make a start with kind of just contouring my nose, and I'm realising now that the one thing that I did not get out ready was bronzer. Why did my freezer just click on? Excuse me. So I didn't get bronzer out ready, so I'm going to have to grab that real quick. Where's the bronzer? Come on, baby. Found it. Bring you in a little bit closer, because I know that you all love being close to my face. That was sarcasm. Ugly. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by contouring my nose a little bit. Probably get up a reference picture to help with this, because I don't know what noses are supposed to look like. I have a nose, so that's a good start. How to draw them, I don't know. Blend this down here on the other side too. And then we kind of just make it end like here, right? It already doesn't look like a nose. Keep on working on it. Fine. It'll look like a nose eventually. It's fine. Oh, right. Okay, moving on. Let's try something else. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna use this like gingery brow pencil that I use when I wear my ginger wig. Just kind of create like a line. Well, that's kind of just like this part of the nose, but then we also want like a line here as well. And it kind of creates like a button nose kind of thing. I don't think the nose that I'm drawing necessarily looks like my nose. I don't know. I feel like my nose would be kind of hard to draw though. I think the more I look at my nose, the more I realize that noses look weird. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I think whatever. It's a nose. It's somewhat of a nose. I don't really know what else to do now. That's supposed to be this line, but I don't know what's happening. So I'm gonna go in with this like brown. I'm pretty sure this is another eyebrow thing. Yeah, another eyebrow thing. And let's see if this works a bit better at creating those details. Something's not right here. My artisticness is being challenged right now. Almost like trying something for the first time and it coming out good is a very difficult thing to do. I think that's the lesson to be learned by everyone. That the first time you do something, it's gonna come out looking like shit. And then after a while, it starts to get easier. But don't give up on your tiny nose, okay? It's gonna be okay. It just might not look right the first time you do it. Okay, well the nostrils aren't right at all. I feel like I need to do something about that and clean it up. Well, that made it worse. Tried to use some concealer, but doesn't look right. I don't know how to fix that. No, that looks worse. I need to blend. I need to do something. This isn't right. I think this is as good as we're gonna get. Oh, we should add some highlighter. That would be good. Okay, so we could add some bleach. So I read this at the same time as saying blush and red peach, and then it came out as bleach. I'm not putting bleach on my face. It's fine. Don't do that. So I'm gonna use some blush and kind of create almost like an e-girl nose, you know? There we go. Bit of blush. Why not? What does that even look like? Does my bronzer always look orange? Am I just noticing this now? Tell me down in the comments. Do I look orange? I need to know. Got my highlighter here. Does that look like a nice little highlighted nose? Okay, I'm gonna move on now to the lips. Not these lips, gonna be these. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do this because the nose was a struggle and the lips look like even more of a challenge because you are working with a lot of curviness here. It's a curvy nose, okay? Gonna be a challenge. Rather than going straight in with the lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this and draw out a general outline of my lips, lips, those things, and see how that goes. What have I done? It doesn't look like lips at all. Okay, well, let's just move on. All right. Kind of just looks like I'm wearing a clown nose. I'm a clown. Oh, don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Okay, well, this is my mouth. This bit was supposed to be hard. The part on the lashes part was supposed to be easy. Okay, well, this is as good as they're gonna get. They're not quite right. I don't fucking care anymore. Let's just get the goddamn scarf on. I wish I did not have hair. I don't know how far up this is supposed to go. Did I touch the lipstick? No. The problem that I'm having with this is, what do you do now? Because I can't really talk. I can move my nose. Do I just like dub over this and like with a clear voice so then it actually works? Because at the moment, the audio of this is just gonna sound shit, right? I have a tiny face and a tiny nose. So this is the final look. I don't know whether this is very good or not. I think this is shown that I'm not very good at these kind of makeup, but I can practice, you know, I can get good. I don't know what's going on with my eyelashes. Like, I can't even apply eyelashes properly. How can I even draw a face on my face? Like, this is the conclusion to probably an hour's worth of work. What the fuck do I do with my time? Why am I like this? So, who beat? Shut up! So if you like this video, then don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more of this content, or, you know, my less weird content, then click that subscribe button. If you are a full-on stalker, then click that little bell icon and keep up to date with everything that I do. And comment, because I love reading your comments. They keep me going. Just realized I forgot to draw dimples. Fucking, where's the pen? Dimples. Okay, bye. I just tried taking photos of this and really it just hit me exactly what this looks like. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Okay, bye.